will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. You can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here, along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require one more variable j with value 0 and nested while loop. Nested while starting from j minus 1 less than I, and at the end of nested while we are going to increase j value by 1. So here in this condition j minus 1, which is going to give us minus 1 the very first time, less than I value is 0, condition is true, then 0 less than 0, condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. Similarly, for the next iteration with I value is 1. Here minus 1 less than 1, condition is true, 0 less than 1, condition is true, and 1 less than 1, condition is false. The iteration is going to stop here. For the third iteration with I value 2, minus 1 less than 2, condition is true, 0 less than 2, condition is true, 1 less than 2, condition is true, 2 less than 2, condition is false, and iteration is going to stop here. This is how this nested while loop is going to get iterated for the remaining values of I, 3 and 4. So let's print the space characters first. Print. We are going to combine two space characters here, two spaces. In the first line there are 8 space characters, so 4 minus I going to give us 8 space, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 1 space. So here four minus I with the space character, which is going to give us 8 space characters in the first line, in the second line 6 space characters, in the third line 4 space characters, in the fourth line 2 space characters, in the fifth line 0 space character. So those space characters are appended with number character in the same line. To print numbers in the same line, we are going to separate and without any value print the numbers. Print 9 minus I minus j, which is going to print the numbers 9, then 8 7, then 7 6 5, then 6 5 4 3, then 5 4 3 2 1, and those numbers are separated with a single space character. Run this file in the terminal. Run pytriangle.py. We can see our triangle is printed in the same line. To print them line by line, we require print method outside this nested while. Run pytriangle.py once again in the terminal. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.